Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute butterfly.
Let's start drawing.
First I draw its head, then its cute eyes, and the smiling mouth. I draw two lines with curly ends on the top of her head. Now I draw her body. Now let's draw her wings. I divide this part here with some lines because I want to color them with the colors of the rainbow. Let's decorate it! Finally, some circles. Oh, how beautiful! Bravo!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Pink, fuchsia. For this part, I use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, now for the wings again. Red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue. I like this!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.